Yes, hi. Is the UPS driver? Yeah, hi. I think you tried to deliver something to my apartment today from Canada, from Icon Device. Yeah. Okay, I'm at apartment number 3. I'm sorry. Apartment number 3. It's okay. Don't worry about it. I'm sorry. Number 3. Okay. Okay, groovy. Thank you. You have a great weekend. Okay, take care. Bye. Bye. I'm sorry. I mean, that's what this song. You can apologize. Does that mean that Chris and the UPS driver are just in the film too?
Kind of. Well, they're gonna be in the film later because your inks are gonna there's gonna be some repercussions for this.
What repercussions?
Yeah. For you letting Chris buy the inks.
You are always on my mind. It's true. I never thought of anyone else but you. You are on my mind, and in my dreams I should have stopped to make you see. You are always.
Out of Canada. I get him out of Canada.
I worked so hard, I thought you knew my love. I didn't know you. I never really had the time. I guess you couldn't read my mind. You are always.
Like, read my mind. That's what the song's about. Like.
So did you get them from the Chinese or the Canadian? I'd like to know, like,
this is like a real interrogation going down here right now.
I'm using torture to get you to speak.
Really?
Chinese water torture. Use the water torture.
If they don't hurry up, we're not going to make it to your sweet Indian food place that you love so much.
Yeah, it's only 7:30.
Doesn't matter.
Who did you get it from? The Canadians or the Chinese? What about the Chinese then? Why did you get it from them? How do you know you got them from them?
What he said.
Canadians. I thought you said he was in on it.
Oh my gosh. You don't know what?
That's what I'd like to know. What you said.
You didn't say. This is what this shit.
That's what you said. You
One
said they were all in on it
of my
together.
best friends who tried to strangle me last week, broke my neck with a stick and a thing.
You're not sticking to the
The
topic.
guy who drinks this shit too, this is like from outer space. So it implants aliens in people.
That's what I'm talking about. You're gonna implant aliens through your tattoo needles. If you're not careful.
I'm on a tattooer.
You're not listening. I'm just saying, like, you should be careful letting other people buy your stuff. You don't know what kind of things.
Like that stuff. Right there. Okay.